Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to change the air filter on the Polo today, so let's go and have a look. Okay, so the air filter's in here. I've never actually taken this off, so we've got a few screws we're going to have to undo. This pipe just pulls off. Yeah, we've got a few screws and it looks like there's hinged at the back, so you can't quite get any screws underneath. So let's undo these four, no not four, 5 screws, and then hopefully this will just come up. Okay, so that's all the screws. They don't seem to come all the way out, but it's now loose, so there we go. Okay, let's just it does come completely off. There we go. Just place that there. Okay, this is the old one. It's a little bit dirty. I've had this car just over a year and I've never changed it. I've no idea how long that's been in there. Let's go and get the new one and compare them. Okay, there you go. This is the nice new one. I don't know whether this one used to be yellow, whether it's faded or whether it was white. They're a different colour. This is the original one was a Bosch. This is a Crosslands one, so they might be slightly different. But as you can tell, these fins are a lot tighter than these. These are all a bit loose, and obviously it's a lot cleaner. So just go and stick this in there. It might be worth giving that a wipe out actually, because it's a little bit, it's a little bit dusty. You don't really want all the dust in there. That's the whole point of having a filter. So I'll give that a clean. Probably the inside of this is, oh no, the inside of that's nice. Yeah, I'll give that a quick wipe out. Nice new filter in there. Put the cover on. Okay, so there's the cover we'll put back on, all the screws down. Just make sure I put this little pipe back on. Job done. Literally took, well, could have been 30 seconds. Nice, quick and easy. So thanks guys. I've bought an oil filter as well, so I'll do a video changing the oil at some stage. I need to get an oil pan to collect all the dirty oil. I haven't got one yet, so I'll get one of them and then I'll do a video on that. I'd love to say thanks to all the subscribers. I hit 50 subscribers the other day, so that's kind of a bit weird for me. I mean, I'm just doing this for fun, and hitting 50 subscribers for me is a big deal. So thanks to all the subscribers. Please like, share and subscribe, and yeah, hopefully there'll be a new video out very soon. So thanks again, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.